Disorders of excretory system. So what is the meaning of disorder? Disorder nothing but the organ is not doing a proper function, or the body is the organ is not doing a proper metabolic functions, so that is leads into disorder. So the disorders of the excretory system, the main three disorders are there. First one is uremia. First one is uremia. What is the meaning of the uremia? Uremia nothing but excess amount, a huge amount of the what is that? Urea was there in our bloodstream. Nothing but it's a proper elimination, not proper elimination of the urea from our body. So the accumulation of the complete urea there in our body region, that is leads into uremia. So that is causing to kidney failure. What is the uremia? The excess amount of the urea was there in bloodstream, that is leads into uremia. Excess amount of the urea was there in bloodstream, that is leads into uremia. Why it is causing this type of uremia? Why? Because there is not proper functioning of filtration, the not proper function of urine formation. Clear? So in this condition, the kidney is failure. But uremia nothing but accumulation of more or huge amount of urea. Accumulation of huge amount of the urea was there in our bloodstream. That's what huge amount of the urea was there in our bloodstream. In bloodstream, the urea was there in bloodstream. That condition is called uremia. Excess amount of the urine was there in our bloodstream. That condition is called uremia. It is causing the failure of filtration of the nephron. The failuring of filtration of the nephron is causing the failuring of nephron. The failuring of the nephron nothing but the failuring of the nephron for the filtration process. That is known as a kidney failure. The condition is called nephron failure, means the kidney failure. Okay. Where is the urea was there in bloodstream? The urea was there in bloodstream. That condition is called uremia. So the uremia was there in bloodstream means there is no proper ultrafiltration was occur. No, there is no proper ultrafiltration was occur means there is no glomerular proper function was not occur, means the kidney failure. The condition is called kidney failure. Second one is renal caliculi. That is the second one is renal caliculi. Renal nothing but kidney, caliculi nothing but stones. Nothing but the excess amount of the urea. The urea was converts into crystals. Nothing but excess amount of the sodium oxalates there in our bloodstream. Only write this way. The excess amount of the sodium oxalates there in our bloodstream. The sodium oxalates are accumulated together to formation of stones. That is called as a renal stone or called as a kidney stones. What is the renal stone? Renal means kidney. Caliculi nothing but stones. The excess amount of the sodium oxalates, excess amount of the sodium oxalate was there in our body or there is in our bloodstream. So these are converts into kidney stones. So that is called as a sodium. That is called as a renal caliculi. The excess amount of the sodium oxalate means there is not doing a proper filtration was occurs in nephron region. Excess sodium oxalate. So these are converts into crystallized in structure, accumulate together to form a crystallizing structure. That is called as a renal caliculi. Renal calculi are kidney stone, commonly known as a kidney stone. The scientifically called as a renal calculi, that is commonly known as a kidney stone. The last one is known as the glomerular, what is the nephritis? The glomerular nephritis. The third disorder is glomerular nephritis. The glomerular, the word is glomerular. What is the glomerular? A set of the blood capillaries. A set of the blood capillaries are known as a glomerular. Nephritis. Nephritis means is one of the disease. Means the glomerular nephritis is nothing but the infection of the glomerular region. Infection of the glomerular region by the causing of bacteria, viruses, some amount of the consuming of the drugs. So drugs, bacteria and what is the viruses, these are inflammation of the glomerular region, so that causing into glomerular nephritis. What is the glomerular nephritis? The glomerular nephritis is one of the disorder. It is majorly causing causing by the bacteria, viruses and excess amount of the consuming drugs, nothing but tablets and take the alcohol. So these are also leads into nephritis. Nothing but glomerular nephritis. Nothing but in this condition the glomerular blood vessels will become accumulate. Blood vessels will become swelling. So there is no proper filtration was occur. So that condition is called glomerular nephritis. What is that? Is glomerular nephritis nothing but blood vessels, blood arterioles and venules. Venules are inflammation. The blood arterioles or veins are causing inflammation by the causing of bacteria, viruses, some amount of the drugs. So this is condition is leads into nephritis. So this condition, it is continuous, that is leads into kidney failure. What is the why? Because there is a nephritis, the blood vessels will become inflammation. So there is no proper filtration was occurs. So that is condition is leads into kidney failure. That is known as a glomerular nephritis. Are you clear? Yes. What is that? Disorders of the excretory system. First one is uremia. The accumulation of the huge amount of the urea was there in our bloodstream. That condition is called as a uremia. In this condition, the urea was there in our bloodstream. Okay, the urea was there in bloodstream. Oh, very, very important. The urea was there in bloodstream. Urea, nothing but urea along with uric acid, both are there. The urea and uric acid was there in our bloodstream. In this condition, the urea was accumulates, stored in joints of the body, joints of the skeletal system. So it will become converts into what is a joint pains. That is called as uremia. Excess amount of the uric acid or urea was there in our bloodstream. It is condition, it is leads into uremia. So the failure of the ultrafiltration mechanism, that is leads into uremia. So in this condition, the excess amount of the uric acid was accumulation on joints and converts into causing into what is that arthritic diseases like a gout diseases, nothing but joint pains. Next one, renal calculi. Excess amount of, if you take the food containing more amount of the urine, what is the complex food and micro minerals are there. So these are not proper digestion or not proper filtration. The accumulation of sodium oxalates. The sodium oxalates are converted into stones, or crystallizing stone, that is known as a renal calculi, are called as a kidney stone. So these are located in pyramid region. The glomerular nephritis. The glomerular nephritis, nothing but the blood vessels will become inflammation, the causing of bacteria, viruses and some kind of drugs. So that is leads into kidney failure.